What up, tube? Welcome back to another daily edition of Big Al's Barber Vlogs. It is Saturday, guys. Tamale Saturday. That's what I call it. You know how I do for my jefitas? I help her sell some tamales on Saturday. So I got 12 dozens. 5 dozen red, 5 dozen green, and 2 dozen cheese. So if you guys are locals and you guys want some tamales, you guys can come by on Saturdays. So I'm headed to the shop, guys, right now. It is, I'm actually running a little bit late today. Today is 7:37. We open at 7:30. Big Tone's been there since 6 a.m. Can you believe that? He had an appointment at 6 a.m. That's what you call a dedicated barber. That's what you call somebody who wants to earn the money. He made that appointment and he kept to it. And that's what you do, guys. You have to have that responsibility to be there for your customers. We are a supply and demand of a service company here. You know what I mean? We are here to supply services. And when they want them, that's when they have to get them. So we need to be there for them, guys. If you guys aren't up right now, I don't know what to tell you. You guys are late. It is Saturday, guys. If you guys don't make money on Saturday, then you're doing something wrong, because Saturday is a money-making day in the barber business. If you want to be a barber, if you want to work in the industry, you have to work Saturday. It's just the way it is, guys. It is what it is. If you wanted Saturdays off, I suggest you shouldn't have been a barber. You know what I mean? I mean, don't get me wrong. Eventually, when you get up there, you probably won't have to work Saturdays. But when you're starting off, if you're gonna get into this business, this is what it is, guys. We're a weekend business. So weekends and holidays, those are the best days. So keep that in mind. And for you young guys that are trying to get into this business, if you guys don't like getting up early and you guys don't like working on the weekend, this ain't the job for you. I'm letting you guys know now. All right, guys. So I'm almost there. It is Saturday and it is going to be busy today. I have 0 appointments today. Nobody booked with me today. So it's going to be all walk-ins, which I don't mind. It's all good with me. So I'm almost there. Let's get started on this day. Grind on, gentlemen. Grind on. So right now it's about 11 a.m. guys. We've been going at it since 7:30. I've been personally busy. Haven't stopped since this morning, but the shop itself is a little slow today. The boys are kind of sitting around. They've only done a few haircuts each, so there hasn't been too many walk-ins coming through. Mostly just customers, but it's kind of a gloomy, ugly day here. And then yesterday we were extremely busy, so I got more barbers today, but it's okay. The boys are hanging in there. I got rid of the 2 extra chairs that I had in there. I think his name is Noe, the barber. He came all the way from Santa Barbara. He came down here to buy one of the chairs from me. He's a student barber. Thank you for coming down, bro. I appreciate it. It was good meeting you. And keep grinding. You know, like, get that barber's license like I told you, man. You need to have your license. It's important for every individual that's going to be a barber to have his barber's license, guys. It's an experience that you have to go through to receive that piece of paper. But if you want to be successful in this business, you have to be licensed, guys. You know, I guess there's platform barbers out there, and there's probably a lot of barbers that are really good that don't have licenses. But, you know, in reality, if you want to be a licensed barber and you want to run a legit business and run a legit barbershop, then you need to be licensed. You know, we all had to go through it, and you got to go through it too. You know, so either there's 2 ways: either being a barber through a barber's license, or become an apprentice. You know, and get your license that way. But everybody has to go through it. So, Noe, thank you for coming by. I appreciate that, brother. I know it was a long way. Santa Barbara is about 2 hours from here, so he came from a long way, and I appreciate that. So I'm gonna go get some lunch right now, guys. Finish this day strong. I already got like 2 haircuts recorded, so I got some stuff to put up for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, you know, let me know, guys. Oh yeah, today I also did another shave with the high-end shave products, and I gotta tell you guys, that stuff is pretty damn bomb. You guys have to try it. You know, it's really, really good, guys. The difference in the haircut when you have good product and bad product makes a big difference. You know, you use good product, it makes your job easier. So once I drop a video on a tutorial video on a shave, then I'll explain the product a little bit better to you guys. All right. With that being said, guys, I'm gonna head inside, get some lunche, and then I'm gonna go back to the shop and finish this day strong, guys. If you guys ain't grinding, guys, get on it. Everybody's got to be grinding. This is what it's all about, all right? This is what it's all about. It's Saturday. Saturday's the day you make your money when you're a barber. See you guys in a little bit. That's it for today, guys. Man, today ended up being a crazy ass day. We ended up getting super busy, slam busy, all the way till we closed up. Right now it's almost about 5:30, so it's still relatively early. We closed at 4 o'clock, but we had so many people inside the shop that we ended up having to finish them all up. But I'm gonna finish this day off, and we'll talk tomorrow again. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to vlog. I know tomorrow's Sunday, I usually don't vlog, but I'm gonna try to vlog tomorrow. You guys have a great day, and then we'll get together. Not tomorrow, Monday. You guys have a blessed weekend.